Hey, what's up? Good afternoon. This is your boy Nakatamal71. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notification when I post new videos. So, Hurricane Isaias. Hurricane Isaias is coming. So we're in the area of Bay Stuyvesant. We can see a tree right there on the right hand side, Gates Avenue and Ralph. Gates Avenue and Ralph Avenue. You can see it. Here is the tree. Go around. Whoa. First tree down. Consequences of the hurricane. It's just the winds. We can see the road. We'll have to go around. We have to go around because of safety procedure. Of branches and pieces of trees on the floor. Yeah, this is the evidence right here of the winds. Nuts, gust winds of, I think it's 40 or 50 knots. I think it's pretty intense. I got off of my car at Ridgewood, the area of Merritt Avenue and Forest, to get a breath. And the gust winds are so strong that it actually literally moved my body forward towards my car when I was out of my car. So this is the beginning of the hurricane. We're not really sure if it's passing by. I haven't heard the news yet. I'm on my way to pick up my wife to work. She gets off at 1. So right now it's 12:55. She gets off at 1 or 1:15. She just called me. She says she might get out. It'll be late. We can see the trees, how they move, the powerful winds. Look at that. There you go. Gates Avenue, Malcolm X. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, baby. Transportation is normal. It's working how its normality schedule. Trains, buses. On the in the area, metropolitan area of New York City. So nothing is suspended so far. But the wind is very strong. We can see the streets. Look at the street full of leaves from the trees, branches and pieces of trees falling down all over the city. Be careful. Precaution. Take precautions. High winds right now. Oh, look at this. Yeah, these are powerful winds, guys. These are powerful winds right here. Very strong winds. Look at this. Look at those trees. How they move. Oh my God, look at that. Whoa, look at that. See that? Those are strong winds for those trees moving like that. Yep. This is what's going on right now. It's just the beginning. They're talking about this coming to New York City. So I don't know how bad it's gonna be. But on my right hand side, we can see the trees. We don't see it on the video right now. We can see the tree are moving so badly. Like, these are strong winds. Yep. Whoa. Damn. We're going towards the area of yeah, we're still in Bay Stuyvesant right now, Brooklyn, New York City. We'll go get my wife. She gets off at 1, but she said give me extra 20 minutes. She's a manager, so you know she has to do some other little things as paperwork, or I don't know. She gotta leave things ready for the next manager in shift, she or he's coming in. So this was what's going on in New York City. I believe they're talking about the hurricane right now approaching New York City, or I think it's already in New York City. Because these powerful winds, forget about it. These strong wind gusts, nope, we don't see that on the regular. This is very strong. Very strong winds. Let me fix this camera right here. Okay, so I don't want this piece to come out so too much. This one here. We're gonna turn to Marcus Garvey because she works on Kingstroop and Fulton. You guys could actually hear the wind through my windows because I have my windows open for my car a little bit. I'm gonna open it a little bit more. We don't know yet if this hurricane that is coming from the south side, south state, from South Carolina or North Carolina, it's gonna turn into a hurricane, powerful hurricane. But it was gonna enter New York City on a category 1 or 2, I think, into New York City. The area of the Rockaway, Howard Beach, and the Rockaway, I think it's going to be flooded a little bit. They were talking about 2-3 feet of water. The sea was gonna come in. It's coming in. I don't know how bad it is right now, but with this wind, definitely that water is coming in. Now the seaport, Manhattan, lower Manhattan, I don't know how it is. I'm not there. I don't have the news right now. But look at these streets right here. How they move from side to side. We all know it gotta be a strong wind so that could happen. We're almost there. My wife's job. We're almost at Fulton and whoa! You guys could hear the wind, right? Yep, that's powerful. Yeah, it's pretty strong. You know, you could walk out there, but it's pretty strong out there. Already here on Fulton. We'll make a right on Fulton Street. She works at Fulton and I forgot the other street, but we're almost there. Oh, got boxes, metals, chairs flying away. You gotta go against the wind. When you walk, you have to walk against that wind. But sometimes, if you're walking towards your house or someplace, you know you're probably walking with the wind, with the force of the wind. So it's not much you can do. For a little kid, for a little child, yes, it will blow him away. It will actually knock that child down. So I'm already here at work. My wife at work. So oh, it started raining right now. The rain started already. But we don't know how bad it's gonna be on the Rockaway. So when I get home, I'm gonna start watching the news. And if I can't come out, then I don't know if I should go to the Rockaways. Or that'd be awesome. That'd be just an awesome video if I go to Coney Island. Yeah. But this is what's going on in the area of Brooklyn, Best-Stuyvesant, and New York City. So I'm gonna leave you guys with these images over here. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell for notification when I post new videos, tutorial, education, or whatever's going on out there. All right, peace out. This is your boy Nakatamal71. Love you guys. Peace.